And now time for the screen protector, and this is going to be the Poryadaku. It was one that I got from Amazon, and here's the installation kit. And this comes with 2 microfiber cloths, some wet wipes, some stickers, and on the inside there's this plastic tool. Oh, I guess this is just like the squeegee to squish it in. And we got both parts of the screen protector, one for the top side and one for the bottom side, and the protector for the screen itself. And this also has this foam protector thing, so I guess I'll use that too. All right, so now it's time to put on the screen protector, but this is kind of wiggly, so I think I'll just set this over here. And it already does have some dust, so let me just remove this with some wet wipes and some of these dust absorber stickers. All right, so now I can start with the whole process, and it's gonna start with that little tool, which is gonna be this thing right here. And this can just be stuck right at the bottom of the USB-C port. Just like that. And now time for this. So part 1 can be removed. Just like so. And then the bottom part can be aligned just like that. And it can slowly be placed here. And then it's time for that squeegee tool. So this could just be pushed right up, pushed right down. All right, that looks pretty good. So now 2 can just be lifted right up. Just like that, and we're going to remove that plastic film by just pushing upwards. And I'm trying to make sure to get all these edges as well. And then flip the phone over. And then same thing as before. So lift this part from the tab, lift it up, and then squeegee right through. And this little plastic film can be removed. All right, now that plastic piece can be taken right off. And now it's time to take this off. So grab one of those stickers from here, this guide sticker. Put it around the corner, and we could lift this protective film off. And this is put on really well that I can't even tell there's a screen protector on there, but it is there. I could see like the edges of it. And normally, I mean, you could squeegee this more, but it looks like everything is good. Wow, I did a really good job on that. Nice. And then let's see how this folds up. Oh yeah, that's real nice. Okay, well, that's the first part done, and now time for the second part. And it's gonna be for this top part. So because this is a new phone, it does have this protective film that I gotta remove first. And then because this is already new and clean, I'm not gonna clean it, so I could just put this right on top. And I'll use that squeegee tool. And there, that's how to put on the screen protector on the Samsung Z Flip 7.